Welcome again, hero fighters. Let's start the training test now.
1. What is the primary role of a FDNY? A. Managing construction schedules daily. B. Ensuring site fire safety compliance. C. Operating heavy site machinery safely. D. Handling subcontractor payment disputes timely. 2. When must a FDNY be present on site? A. Only during safety manager inspections. B. During all active work hours. C. Only when hot work occurs. D. During weekly progress review meetings. 3. What document must the FDNY develop and maintain? A. Daily worker attendance sheets always. B. Material safety data sheets only. C. Monthly financial expenditure reports now. D. An approved site pre-fire plan. 4. How often must the FDNY inspect the site? A. On at least a daily basis. B. Only upon FDNY official request. C. At least once per week. D. Before starting any hot work. 5. Who supervises fire guards during a fire watch? A. The designated site safety manager. B. The construction project site manager. C. The construction site fire safety manager. D. The lead general site contractor only. 6. The FDNY performs duties of which coordinator during impairments? A. The main site safety coordinator. B. The emergency evacuation drill coordinator. C. The building impairment coordinator role. D. The designated first aid responder. 7. What critical system requires readiness when the deck reaches 75 feet? A. Temporary site electrical power system. B. Permanent or temporary standpipe system. C. The main building ventilation system. D. Completed final elevator safety system. 8. Hot work operations require authorization from whom? A. The site owner's representative only. B. The designated hot work responsible person. C. The lead welding subcontractor foreman. D. The local fire department inspector. 9. What minimum rating is required for extinguishers near hot work? A. A minimum 2A 20 BC rating. B. A basic 1A 10 BC rating. C. A specific Class D extinguisher. D. A large 4A 40 BC rating. 10. How long must a fire watch continue after hot work? A. A minimum duration of 30 minutes. B. Until the site manager leaves. C. For at least 1 full hour. D. Until the next work shift begins. 11. What is prohibited at all construction sites? A. Using portable radios during work. B. Wearing non-safety rated footwear always. C. Smoking or carrying smoking materials. D. Drinking beverages outside break areas. 12. How often must combustible waste be removed from buildings? A. At least once per workday. B. Only when dumpsters are full. C. Weekly during the site cleanup. D. Before any official site inspections. 13. What must be readily available for FDNY inspection daily? A. Subcontractor insurance policy documents only. B. The FDNY logbook records. C. Worker time and attendance sheets. D. Updated building architectural blueprint drawings. 14. Who is responsible for training personnel on fire extinguishers? A. The equipment rental company representative. B. The local fire department personnel. C. The construction site fire safety manager. D. The designated site safety coordinator. 15. What action is required if a standpipe alarm activates? A. Continue work until shift end. B. Reset the alarm system quickly. C. Notify FDNY and cease work. D. Wait for FDNY arrival on site. 16. What color are caps for standpipe-only FDNY connections? A. Painted bright safety yellow always. B. Painted standard signal green color. C. Painted official signal red color. D. Painted basic standard silver color. 17. How must incompatible compressed gases be stored? A. Stacked vertically in tight groups. B. Grouped by container color code. C. Separated by distance or barriers. D. Kept near emergency exit doors. 18. What is the minimum clearance for Class 3 liquid storage? A. At least 10 feet from combustibles. B. A minimum of 5 feet always. C. At least 15 feet from waste. D. A standard 3-foot safe distance. 19. An S-92C of F holder supervises what equipment? A. Operation of site tower cranes. B. Use of portable fueled space heaters. C. Installation of temporary electrical wiring. D. Maintenance of site dewatering pumps. 20. Who can use powder-actuated tools on site? A. Any experienced construction site worker. B. Only the licensed master plumber. C. Only the certified site welder. D. An E21 certificate of fitness holder. 21. What is required when taking a fire protection system offline? A. Verbal notice to site workers. B. Notification to the building owner. C. Following impairment coordinator procedures promptly. D. Emailing the general construction contractor. 22. What does the acronym PASS stand for? A. Pass alarm safety system check. B. Pull aim squeeze sweep quickly. C. Prepare access secure site access. D. Protect area stop spread fast. 23. How should oily rags be stored on site? A. In open plastic trash containers. B. Inside cardboard boxes near exits. C. In a listed disposal container. D. Piled neatly on concrete floors. 24. What is the maximum height for installing a 40 pounds PFE? A. Top not more than 5 feet. B. Base must touch the floor. C. Top exactly at 6 feet. D. Top not more than 3.5 feet. 25. What must be available before hazardous materials arrive? A. Completed site safety inspection report. B. Approved temporary or permanent water supply. C. Finalized construction completion schedule first. D. List of all site personnel names. 26. When can an existing wet standpipe be kept dry? A. If building is fully occupied. B. During winter months without approval. C. With DOB/FDNY approval and alarm. D. If connected to city water main. 27. What signage is required at FDNY connections? A. Fire department use only sign. B. Standpipe connection sign and light. C. Emergency water source warning label. D. Building address and contact number. 28. How often should an air pressurized alarm system be tested? A. Recommended testing is done weekly. B. Only tested during initial installation. C. Tested once every single month. D. Tested annually by FDNY personnel. 29. What FDNY unit inspects construction sites? A. The Fire Prevention Inspection Unit. B. The Construction Demolition Abatement Unit. C. The Hazardous Materials Response Unit. D. The Emergency Medical Services Division. 30. What must be included in the first responder box? A. Worker medical history emergency forms. B. Detailed site financial budget reports. C. Copies of site safety meeting minutes. D. Pre-fire plan and access keys.